I was sitting out there in the shed one evening, not doing too much of nothing, just kind of staring at the wall. And
Alright, I think the next thing I want to do is take the roll cage off. I need to work on the seat. I need to work on the roll cage. Yeah, let's take the roll cage off now. I'm gonna go ahead and take his seat off now. So I added a return spring to the throttle here, you know, because, and this collar here is pushing on the cable, which is running through a hole in this rod, and that'll hold that tight. And then an adjuster right here to take up the slack. I think I'm going to work on this seat. It's not actually torn, the stitching came loose, so I should be able to just re-sew this back. I got my sewing machine set up here. I need to bust the seams on this end and get the bottom of this open so I can flop this thing inside out, sew that seam back up. finally got this cart to this point. I got it cleaned up, the engine's running, wiring's installed, everything's working here. I want to focus my attention on the roll cage. So someone has painted over the yellow and green, so I'm taking this paint off using some sandpaper, and it's been a lot of work, but I got that one cleaned up. I got those two mostly cleaned up, working on the two long pieces here. I'm just sanding this stuff off here. This is 600 wet and dry paper. Just taking this just taking this red paint off of here. I get away with doing this because the paint underneath is pretty thick, so I'm not real worried about sanding through it. So I'm gonna get all these cleaned up and then work on getting the roll cage back on it. Well, the roll cage looks way better with all that red paint off of there, but it's a little odd looking, don't you think? Kind of looks like your strange uncle with his giant forehead. I don't know. I think I'm gonna change. I'm gonna do things. So I'm 6 foot tall, okay? And you can see there is a lot of headroom here, which I think is unnecessary for the kids that are more than likely going to be riding in this thing. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this roll bar hoop down and move these all together a little bit. Maybe that'll change the look. Maybe it'll look a little better. I don't know about you guys, but I think that looks better. I could be wrong. Let me know down there in the comments. Alright, I like it. I think it looks good. I'm gonna weld this sucker together now. Well, I got it to this point. I think it looks pretty good. I don't know what you guys think. Got the seat in there. Seems to run pretty good. But I'm having a little issue, and that is these tires won't hold any air. I tried inner tubes, that didn't work. So that kind of leaves me on hold for this project for a minute. So as much as I'd love to fire this thing up and get you guys a good video of it riding, I'm gonna have to put that video off, unfortunately, until I can find some tires for this thing. I don't want to buy brand new tires because that's a lot of money, and I'm trying to do this as cheap as possible. So stay tuned for the next episode. Take this thing for a ride and see if we can get it sold on Marketplace, see what I can get out of it. Well, that's all I got for you today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, don't be afraid to fix it. Thanks for watching.